Dishwasher, Display and Wash Cycle Setting Part 2, Auxiliary Function Settings, Purpose, Settings and Features. Select the desired washing program by pressing the program selection keys P0 to P8. In the selected washing program, if auxiliary function is selected, its symbol will be displayed on the screen. If the auxiliary function button is pressed again, the symbol will disappear and selection will get cancelled. Select the required auxiliary function and start the program by pressing Start, or execute desired action by pressing Pause or Cancel key. Half load function. It is used to operate the machine when there is less load. Fast plus function. It shortens the time of the washing cycle selected and decreases water consumption by enabling washing under higher pressure. Steam gloss function. It provides superior drying performance. Aqua Intense function. Aqua Intense impeller, located under the lower impeller, helps washing your heavily soiled dishes placed in the right side of the lower basket. Time delay function. Set the desired time by pressing the time delay key. Time will increase in increments of 30 minutes up to 6 hours, and after that in increments of 1 hour up to 24 hours every time you press the key. Child lock function. To activate, press Fast Plus and Aqua Intense keys simultaneously for 3 seconds. To deactivate, again press Fast Plus and Aqua Intense keys simultaneously for 3 seconds.
क्योंकि Dawlance reliable है।